Welcome everyone to this session on DBMS database structure. Here, first video, we are covered these two concepts, that is introduction to database management system and the database management system functions and features. Now we are moving towards the DBMS layer structure. In this video, we are starting the DBMS layer structure. DBMS has three layered architecture. The first one is internal layer that manage physical storage, and the second one is computational layer that focuses on the logical structures of the database management system or DBMS, and the last one is external layer. It offers user specific view to the data. This structure makes data management scalable and user friendly. The next slide is data abstractions layer. The data abstractions occurs at three levels. The first level is physical level. In physical level, data storage and hardware management, compress algorithm and backup system. Low level file organization. It means how data is stored. The second one is logical level. It says data modules and structures, relationships among the elements, data normalization and integrity constraints. It means how data is organized in database. And the last one is view level. It means customizable user interface, data abstraction for end users. It means what the user sees. The abstraction hides complexity, simplifying how users interact with data. The next slide is interaction between layers. Layers interact through mapping. This ensures data consistency between the physical, logical, and user levels. This interaction enhances performance and flexibility while ensuring data independence. Our next section is user access and security. There are three types of user access. The first one is direct access, the second one is indirect access, and the third one is user view. The first one is data access. User interact directly with the database or system. Typically requires a secure login. Example, database administrators, system administrators. And the second one is indirect access. User interact through intermediate application, often involves software interface like APIs. Examples, end user accessing data via web applications. And the last user access is user view. It customized presentations on data, restricts access to specific data fields, enhance data security by limiting visibility. The next slide is access control mechanisms. There are three access control mechanisms. The first one is authentication, the second one is authorization, and the last one is role based access control, that means RBAC. The first one is authentication. It verifies user identity, that means verifies the user identity. Common methods or password biometric scans ensure only authorized user that gain information from the database. The second one is authorization. Authorization means defining what each user can access. That means based on role or individual user setting, prevents unauthorized actions and data breaches. And the last one is role based access control, that means RBAC. It it assigning permissions based on roles. That means easier to manage compared to individual permissions, enhance security by minimizing the risk of over privileged users. The next slide is ensuring data security. There are three sections, that is encryption. The first one is encryption, second one is auditing, and the third one is backup and recovery. Encryption, protecting data from the unauthorized access. Auditing is tracking database activities, and backup and recovery is ensuring data availability during failures. The next section will be seen in next video. Here we can stop.